My name is Sean Hannelly. I grew up Roman Catholic. I found my way into the Anglican Church through music. I was a choral scholar in Trinity College Dublin in the chapel. I'd always had the call of God from the age of 7. So after studying music as an undergraduate, I worked for a period in St Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin and then followed the discernment process into training for ordination in the Church of Ireland, and I was made deacon in 2017 and ordained priest in 2018. I haven't done distant learning or a part-time course like this before. I don't have a legal background. Some people on the course do, most of us don't. And yet I found we're all being brought up into a level par, into the background of the area we're studying, so that we can go away from here, as I certainly feel I'm going to, confident in the skills I've developed these recent days to go and work on my own. It's wonderful.